Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So welcome back to Figs Outside. So we're going to be doing a little showing of the official GoPro gun, rod, and bow mount, Hero 6 black compatible. And I did end up buying a GoPro Hero 7 black. We'll get to that later. But anyway, what I wanted to do is I wanted to do a little review on these, check them out, kind of an unboxing. And so anyway, here we go. Before we get going on that, it says mount your GoPro to guns, fishing rods, bows with a diameter ranging from 0.04 to 0.09 inches. So basically a half inch and almost an inch. Includes gun, rod, and bow mount, assorted mounting hardware, center, side brackets, super sweet backdoor mount, Hero 5 black, the frame backdoor mount to Hero 5 black, standard housing backdoor mount to Hero 4 3 plus 3, and the dive housing. So anyway, shows little pictures there. So we're gonna like this, I guess. So, here it is. It's all nicely boxed up. So that is probably the dive housing. It's clear, and it even says backdoor mount. We're gonna leave that alone. Anyway, so yeah, tells you what they're for, which ones. You can see comes with this piece, another mounting bracket, plus all these. I'm not going to take every single one of these out, but yeah, it tells you, yeah, right on the top, very small, the Hero 4 plus 3, Hero 4 3 plus 3. So, I believe there's the warning card. Usually check. And then it's a gun, rod, and bow mount, multi-use sportsman mount, user guide. Yep. So it shows you all the different mounts, the parts and pieces, what it includes, suggestions, getting started. So yeah, it's the full manual. So there it is. Mounting suggestions, more tips, how to mount it to your bow. So yeah, pretty cool. So anyway, there it is. This is the piece right here. You could adjust it for the mount, and you can see it's got, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's got all these little ridges, and then this tightening screw gets it locked in there. And this piece right here swings out. You can mount it to your fishing rod, gun, or bow. So we'll see if it fits this Hero 7 black. Hopefully it does. Maybe we can finagle it. It should work. We'll get it to work. Anyway, you can tighten that down. Actually, it's got pretty good grip. One thing I did notice with this is, kind of windy today, is that it does not have any type of rubber in here. So maybe, I don't know, we'll play with it and see what happens. Maybe add a little bit of a electrical tape or a little bit of duct tape to give it a little more grip. It's pretty slick, pretty smooth, but it cranks down pretty tight. Enough. It doesn't take much. So anyway, there it is. The GoPro gun, rod, and bow mount. They call it a Sportsman's Mount. Is what they call it on their deal. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. If it does, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Yeah, we'll get to doing a little playing around with this. And I'll just go in there. There we go. Anyway, yeah, we'll get going on this. Maybe hook it to my bow and fling a few arrows today and test out the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So can't wait for this coming spring and summer to get some fishing footage and you know, hunting season in reality is just around the corner. It's already March. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe.